Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add text on Capcut. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add text on Capcut, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Capcut application. Locate and click on New Project. Go ahead and select your project. Click on Add. Then once you added your project, you see your project like this. Now to add text on the project, locate and click on text on the navigation. Once you selected text, then go ahead and click on add text. Then you should say enter text, then go ahead, type in the text. Then you can come here, change the text font, the style, effect, animation, bubbles, preset, and the rest. Then once you are done, go ahead and click on the checkbox, and then you should see the text added. So you see that? Then go ahead and click on export to export your video. So if you want to add additional text or more text, repeat the same thing by clicking on add text and then follow the prompt. So that is exactly how to add text on Capcut. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.